how to create a shareable link of your website using GitHub for free, 100% free in 2022.
Follow us to learn coding.
So first we need to open up github.com. The link is in the description down below. So now what we need to do is hit sign in or sign up if you don't already have an account. So the only button that we need to focus on is this green new button. Let's go ahead and click it. So our project name, so it gives inspiration, so animated lamp, and I'm going to pick that one. A description is optional to say what your project is about, and it needs to be public so anyone on the internet can see this repository. And you can add a readme file. This is where you can write a long description for your projects, and you can choose a license to tell others what they can and can't do with your code. But for now we just need to do the name and click create repository. So now what we need to do is just focus on uploading an existing file. This is the only thing we need to focus on. Hit that, click choose your files, and then I'm going to go for my Boss Baby project. Click that, select the files, hit open, and once they've uploaded right here, as you can see they've now uploaded, you need to hit commit changes. So now it's going to process your files. Now as you can see here are index.html and style.css files which we've just uploaded. We can change the code of these right here on GitHub too. So now what we need to do is go straight to settings, hit pages, in branch section, change none to main and hit save. Now we need to reload the page a couple times for the link to upload. So now our site is live here. CodeKid01 our username, GitHub.io the website, and BossBaby101 which is the username of our website. So now let's go ahead, click visit site, and here our website's uploaded and it works just as it would normally. So we can go back and we can click on the three dots to unpublish the site too. So I'm going to put this link in the description box down below. Please subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!